Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a hidden navigation menu on scroll down using HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the software itself, which is text edit, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application, text edit, click on this, Command S to save, navigate to the desktop, start a new folder called navigation bar, create, change the file name to index.htm, guess use.htm, increase the size of the text edit file, increase the font size, Command plus a couple of times, and now we are ready to start programming in HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript to create a hidden navigation menu on scroll down. Less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, greater than, go to a new line, insert all the tags required. HTML, less than slash HTML. Within this, we need the head and body. We can have title and head if required to, but not for this tutorial. Go all the way into the body and now start programming the HTML5 to bring the navigation bar onto screen. Less than div ID. Equals speech marks nav bar greater than, go to a new line, indent less than ref equals speech marks home greater than home less than slash a greater than, highlight the last line of code, copy, and then after new line, indent, paste, not once but twice, and then change home to news and contact. Likewise on the right hand side, and then end with the div tag. So that in fact is the navigation bar created, and now we can add another div tag for the title, for when it comes to scrolling up and down to see what happens to the navigation bar itself. So less than div style equals speech marks padding colon 15 pixels, 15 pixels again, 2500 pixels, semicolon font size, colon 30 pixels, semicolon margin dash top, colon 30 pixels, semicolon highlight, ignore spelling for the moment, go to a new line, indent, and then insert a paragraph if required to, less than P, B for bold, navigation menu, less than slash P, less than slash B, greater than, highlight, copy, Command C, go to a new line, indent, paste, not once, not twice, 3 times, and then copy the previous lines of code again. indent, paste a couple of more times. Command S to save and then end with the div tag. You'll see why in a minute. I had to copy and paste the paragraphs. It will be helpful when it comes to scrolling up and down with all the text on screen to show how the website itself runs when executed, as we are creating a navigation menu that is hidden on scroll down. Go all the way to the top within head, insert all the style tags for the CSS. Less than style, greater than, less than slash style, greater than. Within style, add body, curly brace, new line, margin. Background color, font family, go to the top, margin, colon, highlight, copy and paste at the end of each word. Go back to background color, highlight, ignore the spelling, go to margin again, 0, semicolon, background color, hashtag, F1 3 times, semicolon, font family, Arial, Helvetica, sans serif, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, hashtag navbar, curly brace, new line, background color, position, top, width, display, and transition. Go back to the top again after background color, colon, highlight, copy and paste at the end of each word. Go back to background color again, hashtag 333. Position, fixed for a reason. Top, 0, semicolon, width, 100%, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, transition, top, 0.3s, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, hashtag navbar A, curly brace, new line, float, display, color, text align, padding, text decoration, font size. Go to the top again after float, colon, highlight, copy, and then paste at the end of each word. Go back to the top again, float to the left, semicolon, display, block, semicolon, color, hashtag F2 3 times, semicolon, text align, center, semicolon, padding, 15 pixels, semicolon, text decoration, none, semicolon, font size, 17 pixels, semicolon, new line, curly brace, go to a new line again, hashtag navbar, A, colon, hover, curly brace, new line, background color and color. Colon, colon, at the end of each word, background color, hashtag D, semicolon, color, black, semicolon, new line, curly brace. And so the CSS has now been programmed. We have the HTML and CSS done. The only thing left now to do is to insert all the JavaScript. Go to the last div tag. Within the body, insert script less than script, greater than, go to a new line, less than slash script. Within this, now we need all the JavaScript, var pre-scroll POS equals window dot page. Y offset. Semicolon, new line, window dot on scroll. Equals function, parentheses, curly brace, new line. Go to the previous line of code, highlight, copy, paste, and then change previous scroll POS to current scroll. Ignore the spelling. Equals window dot page Y offset. Semicolon, go to a new line and then bring in the if statement after we indent if, parentheses, previous scroll POS, which we can take from the top, is greater than the current, which we can also take from the top, parentheses, curly brace, new line, document dot get element by ID, parentheses, speech marks nav bar dot style dot top equals speech marks 0, semicolon, go to a new line again, indent, curly brace, else, curly brace, new line, indent, document dot get element by ID navbar dot style dot top equals minus 50 pixels. Take the previous line of code, highlight, copy, and then paste, and then change 0 to minus 50 pixels. Go to a new line, indent, curly brace, go to a new line again, previous scroll POS, take that from the top, equals the current scroll POS, semicolon, new line, curly brace to end the JavaScript. So now the programming in HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript is done to create a hidden navigation menu bar on scroll. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Desktop, Navigation Bar, index.html, open with Safari, decrease the size of this, minimize Finder, decrease the size of both windows, the text edit file, and the web browser, so we can then see what is happening on a concurrent level at the same time. Go to the web browser, right click, reload the page, and now scroll up. What happens? The navigation bar itself hides. So we can now quit Safari, quit text edit. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.